你好，欢迎光临，一起聊聊天吧。
Hello, where is it?
The hotel's address isn't specified. Do you need help with anything else here?
What public service facilities are available in the building?
Public services in the building include rest areas 1F, shared meeting rooms 3F, and parcel lockers V1.
I want to buy a cup of coffee. Can you recommend a nearby coffee for me?
Sure. Here are nearby coffee shops. 1 Pudu Coffee, retro vibe, ideal for readings. 2 Bella Coffee, cozy, affordable. 3 PD Coffee's modern, has charging sockets, perfect for meetings.
Can you take me to the restroom?
Let me guide you to the restroom on the east side of the ground floor. There's a location error with the robot. Please help it reset. Your package has arrived. Please open the door and grab it. If you need anything, feel free to reach out.